Hello, if you're joining me, then I don't really know if I need this to be super duper big. That's what she said. But pretty much, we're just going to have a simple counting bot. This bot will take in a number and see if the input is 1 greater than the current number. If current number is greater than 1, increment and say success. If false, give an error message and then just have a function to delete the message input from whatever data structure that we're using. So let's figure out how to instantiate a variable. Let me move this out of the way. Crap. JavaScript tutorial. Let's do modern JavaScript. This looks cool. Let's do variables. Let message. So let's start this out with let message. No, let's do let number. Current counting number. What notation does JavaScript use? Okay, camel case. Not snake case. In that case, current count equals 0. No, stop. Stop. Let current count equal to 0. And then let guess count equal to 0 as well. Guess limit should be 1. Yeah, it should. Let's see. Main. How to declare a main. Ninja code. Is this real? Irony detected. No, no, this is so fake. Okay, yeah. Guess count equal. What the fuck is triple equals? Equals current count plus 1. Why is this being a fuck? If conditional branching. Oh. Oh. Yeah, I like that. Console.fuck. Console.log, correct guess, incrementing count, current count plus plus. Functions. Function gives count. Function guess number. Mouse console.log wrong delete guess. Let's guess. Function main function. How to do give me a sample. Let's see, how do you run it here? Gucci Mane love JavaScript, Node.js on top of it, HTML and CSS, and don't forget that Mongo shit. Taught him how to write the code. Now no more gets out the kid. Oh, how do I run? Oh shoot. Get user input. Put. That's. Oh, I guess it is. That's so fucking Gucci Mane loves JavaScript. Node.js on top. Node.js on top of barely don't know enough. Don't know enough. Engines are complicated. The engine applies optimizations at each step of the process. It even watches the compiled script, runs, analyzes the data that flows through, and further optimizes the machine code. That knowledge, what can in-browser JavaScript do? Modern JavaScript is a safe programming language. Does not provide low-level access to the memory or CPU because it was initially created for browsers which do not require it. JavaScript's capabilities greatly depend on the environment it's running in. For instance, Node.js supports functions that allow JavaScript to read, write arbitrary files, perform network requests, etc. In-browser JavaScript can do everything related to web page manipulation, interaction with the user, and the web server. For instance, in-browser JavaScript is able to new HTML to the page, change the existing content, modify styles, react. It can also react to user actions, run on mouse clicks, pointer movements, key presses, send requests over the network to remote servers, download and upload files, Ajax and comment technologies, get and set cookies, ask questions to the visitor, show messages, remember the data on the client side, local storage. What can't in-browser JavaScript do? JavaScript capabilities in the browser are limited to protect the user's safety. The aim is to prevent an evil web page from accessing private information or harming the user's data. Examples of such restrictions include JavaScript on a web page may not read, write arbitrary files on the hard disk, copy them, or execute programs. It has no direct access to OS functions. Modern browsers allow it to work with files, but the access is limited and only provided if the user does certain actions like dropping a file into a browser window or selecting it via an input tag. There are ways to interact with the camera, microphone, and other devices, but they require users' explicit permission. So a JavaScript-enabled page may not sneakily enable a web camera, observe the surroundings, and send information to NSA. Different tabs, windows generally do not know about each other. Sometimes they do, for example, when one window uses JavaScript to open the other, but even in this case, JavaScript from one page may not access the other page. They come from different sites. This is called the same origin policy. To work around that, both pages must agree for data exchange and must contain special JavaScript code that handles it. We'll cover that in the tutorial. This limitation is again for the user's safety. A page from any site which a user has opened must not be able to access another browser tab with the URL http@gmail.com, for example, and steal information from there. JavaScript can easily communicate over the net to the server where the current page came from, but its ability to receive data from other sites' domains is crippled. Though possible, it requires explicit agreement expressed in HTTP headers from the remote side. Once again, that's a safety limitation. Okay. Such limitations do not exist if JavaScript is used outside of the browser, for example, on a server. Modern browsers also allow plugins, extensions, which may ask for extended permissions. What makes JavaScript unique? There are at least three great things about JavaScript. Full integration with HTML, CSS. Simple things are done simply, supported by all major browsers, and enabled by default. JavaScript is the only browser technology that combines these three things. That's what makes JavaScript unique. That's why it's the most widespread tool for creating browser interfaces. That said, JavaScript can be used to create servers, mobile applications, etc. Languages over JavaScript. The syntax of JavaScript does not suit everyone's needs. Different people want different features. That's to be expected because the projects requirements are different for everyone. Recently a plethora of new languages appeared, which are transpiled, converted to JavaScript before running the browser. Modern tools makes the transpilation very fast and transparent, allowing developers to code in another language and auto-converting it under the hood. Examples of such languages: CoffeeScript is syntactic sugar for JavaScript. It introduces shorter syntax, allowing us to write clearer and more precise code. Usually, Ruby devs like it. TypeScript is concentrated on adding strict data typing to simplify the development and support of complex systems. It is developed by Microsoft. Flow adds data typing, but in a different way. Developed by Facebook. Dart is a standalone language that has its own engine that runs in non-browser environments like mobile apps, but can also be transpiled to JavaScript, developed by Google. I did not know that. Dart, that's the shit under Flutter. Okay. Python is a Python transpiler to JavaScript that enables the writing of applications in pure Python without JavaScript. Kotlin is a modern, concise, and safe programming language because that can target the browser or node. There are more, of course. Even if we use one of these transpiled languages, we should also know JavaScript to really understand what we're doing. Today, JavaScript has. This book is a tutorial. It aims to help you gradually learn the language, but once you're familiar with the basics, you'll need other resources. The ECMA 262 specification contains the most in-depth, detailed, and formalized information about JavaScript. It defines the language. But being that formalized, it's difficult to understand at first. So if you need the most trustworthy source of information about the language details, the specification is the right place. But it's not for everyday use. A new specification version is released every year. Between these releases, the last specification draft is at tc39.es ECMA 262 to read about new bleeding edge. Hey, what's going on? Is that Jacob, bro, that I'm talking to right now? To read about new bleeding edge features, including those that. Oh heck yeah, the stream is actually populating chat, which is fucking dope. So-called stage 3. See proposals at GitHub, TC39 proposals. Also, if you're developing for the browser, then there are other specifications covered in the second part of this tutorial. MDN Mozilla JavaScript reference is the main manual with examples and other information. It's great to get in-depth information about individual language functions, methods, etc. You can find it at Developer Mozilla Docs web. Bro has no clue who I am. I've fucking seen you before, bro. Don't fuck with me, man. Gosh, I know who you fucking are. Do I know you from school? Do I know you from a game that I used to play? Let's see. This is the main manual. In depth. Let's fucking pull that shit in. If I lose it all, slip and fall, the day. Script. If I lose it all, lose it all, lose it all. If I lose it all, slip and fall, another day. You can find it here, although it's best to use an internet search instead. Just use MDN term in the query and search for the parse int function. JavaScript is a developing language. New features get added regularly. To see their support among browser-based and other engines, see can I use per feature tables of blah 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 blah. All these resources are useful in real-life development as they contain valuable information about language details, their support, etc. Please remember them or this page for the cases when you need in-depth information about a particular feature. A code editor is the place where programmers spend most of their time. There are two main types of code editors, IDEs and lightweight editors. Many people use one tool of each type. The term IDE, integrated development environment, refers to a powerful editor with many features that usually operates on a whole project. As the name suggests, it's not just an editor, but a full-scale development environment. An IDE, oh, he left. An IDE loads a project, which can be many files, allows navigation between files, provides auto-completion based on the whole project. Oh, was that? Was that? No, I definitely know who fucking said that shit. I'd be surprised if you remembered who I was. Okay. Oh, wait, that's crazy because it's telling me 0 people are in, but you're speaking right now, so I'd be surprised. Bro, you didn't even. I have a clue. You're just not like confirming or denying. Which, if be my guest, man. I gave you 3 options. Are you? Do I know you from a game? Do I know you from whatever community? Do I know you from school? Like, you gotta give me something to work off of here. We're playing 20 questions out here, brother. Let's see. Visual Studio Code, web store, cross-platform, paid. Well, I've never seen a paid. Oh, it's for Windows. There's also Visual Studio, not to be confused with Visual Studio Code. Visual Studio is a paid and mighty Windows-only editor, well suited for the .NET platform. Visual Studio community. Many IDEs are paid but have a free trial period. Their cost is usually negligible compared to a qualified developer salary, so choose the best one for you. That's such a fucking backhanded statement compared to a qualified developer salary. Like, if I can't afford that shit, I'm just fucked. Let's see how much this costs, anyways, because I guarantee you I can't fucking pay for that. Oh, yeah, that's not bad. Yeah, I could definitely afford that, but like, I don't know. I feel like it would be good. Like, I don't think it would be worth it enough. Lightweight editors are not as powerful as IDEs, but they're fast, elegant, and simple. They are mainly used to open and edit a file instantly. The main difference between a lightweight editor and an IDE is that an IDE works on a project level, so it loads much more data on start, analyzes the project structure if needed, and so on. A lightweight editor is much faster if we need only one file. In practice, lightweight editors may have a lot of plugins, including directory level syntax analyzers and autocompleters. So there's no strict border between a lightweight editor and an IDE. So there's Sublime Text, Notepad++, Vim, and Emacs. I guess I need to learn that. It's Sublime Text on iOS. Well, that sucks. Yeah, I mean, I'm using Visual Studio Code, Xcode for Mac. That's fair. Developer console. Code is prone to errors. You will likely make errors. Oh, what am I talking about? You are absolutely going to make errors, at least if you're human and not a robot. But in the browser, users don't see errors by. Okay, Vietnamese. Yeah, so I know you from fucking DBO. Then let's see. I know you from DBO. Gosh. I'm gonna fucking cheat right now. I'm gonna search gosh in my. Okay, I don't know who that is. Gosh. Gosh. Let's hope this is not fucking going to. Let's see. Transparent. Translate.google. What a shame. That's beautiful. Shame. So I know you're Vietnamese. Okay, so you're either Tuho. You are. Oh my god, I know who you are. You're the Spy Ninja. You're Spy Ninja Kid. You're the spy ninja. Oh my god. You're fucking. Oh my god. Ninja. Nope. The spy. Fuck, what was his name? I'm close, aren't I? No, no, you. If that's the case, that guy knew Vietnamese, but he didn't know it that much. Oh fuck, fuck. Well, your English is good enough. I don't know. You wouldn't be Tuho. Tuho's the only one that I've known that is fluent in both English and Spanish. Vietnamese. Huh. Well, I'll think about it. You know, I'm gonna go to sleep tonight, and I'm it's just gonna be puzzling my brain. Anyways, most developers lean towards Chrome. Give me another hint, honestly. Most developers lean towards Chrome or Firefox for development because those browsers have the best developer tools. Other browsers also provide developer tools, sometimes with special features, but are usually playing catch up to Chrome or Firefox. So most developers have a favorite browser and switch to others if a problem is browser specific. Developer tools are potent. They have many features. To start, we'll learn how to open them, look at errors, and run JavaScript. Man, open the page bug.html. There's an error in the JavaScript code on it. It's hidden from a regular visitor's eyes, so let's open developer tools to see it. Press F12 or if you're on Mac, Command Opt J. The developer, all right, let's do that. We will do that. The exact look of developer tools depends on your version of Chrome. It changes from time to time, but it should be similar. Here we can see the red colored error message. In this case, the script contains an unknown. Okay, how was your fast? My fasting was good. I can finally drink water now. Oh my god. See, the crazy thing, I know you. Like, I've seen you in chat before, bro. Like, don't even try to act slick right now. That's the thing. Um, la la la. What the fuck is this? Oh, here it is. I have this. Clickable source. So what? Do we just... How do I edit this then? Or I guess I can't. I'm in Do You Fast? Bro, you have to be Spica, dude. No, you wouldn't know that. I'm learning Vietnamese. Oh my god, I have to learn Pashto today. Fuck. I'm gonna cut it quits here. Call it quits. Oh my god, it's 7:53. Holy shit. Fuck yeah, man. That's really good. I'm gonna have to. I'm gonna go fucking insano style with this shit. I'm gonna go live. I'm going to see your channel. I'm gonna fucking see what you're about, bro. Gosh, gosh. Go to channel. Oh, go to channel activity, baby. Oh, well, that's fucking retarded. Bro, get the fuck out of here. I fucking knew it. I fucking knew it. I fucking knew it. I knew that shit was you. Get the fuck out of here. Bro, but I'm fucking grinding right now, man. Holy shit, it's tough. It's so fucking tough. But dude, this Such a, I fucking knew that was you had it had to have been never mind. No, actually, no. Hold on. Actually, if you look, I texted you 10 minutes ago asking if that was you. So it didn't take me long enough. You can literally verify the chat. But yeah, holy shit, man. It's been fucking. It's dumb. But I'm very grateful. I'm actually. I just need to put my fucking. I just need to put my nose to the books and understand JavaScript, bro. It's tough. It's so fucking dumb. Yeah, what a verification. What does that mean? Are you stupid? Alright. Hello world. This part of the tutorial is about full JavaScript. The language itself. Alright. So delete bookmark. Oh. Do that. Tutorials. Shows. JavaScript. Let's move that here. JavaScript. Gucci Mela JavaScript. OJ. Node.js on top of it. HTML and CSS. And don't forget that Mongo shit. Taught him how to write the code. Now no one can stop the kid. Alright. So I'm gonna continue off probably at lunch tomorrow and just learn JavaScript. But yeah, that ends the stream.